सुप्रभातं, नमो नमः, नमो गुरुभ्यः। लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुद्यां विभक्त्यर्थप्रकरणम् इति एकं प्रकरणं वर्तते. In लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदी there is a prakarana named as Vibhaktyartha-prakaranam. Vibhakti means cases. This prakarana describes the meaning of different cases. When we consider language as a medium of communication, the sentence is the most important unit in a language. We can define sentence as Padasamuhaha Vakyam. Sentence or Vakyam is a group of words. It consists of different types of words which have different statuses. Words such as kriya or verb, subject or karta, object or karma are there in these sentences. In Sanskrit, verb or kriya is the central part of a sentence. All other types of words are connected to that kriya. There is a definition for vakyam or sentence as ekating vakyam. If there is one kriyapada, ekating, we can consider it as a vakyam. Other types of words such as karta, karma, karanam, etc. are connected to that kriyapadam. And these types of words are named as karakam in Sanskrit. The definition of karakam is kriyanvayi karakam, that which is connected to kriya is karakam. The karakas are used in different vibhakti forms. They are denoted by different case forms or vibhakti forms. So the vibhakti and its meaning is directly linked to the karakas and their status. There are 6 karakas in Sanskrit: karta, karma, karanam, sampradhanam, apadanam and adhikaranam. To understand the meaning of different karakas, let us have a look at this sentence. All the karakas are included in the sentence. Balakasya mata grihe hastena patrat balakaya modakam dadati. Here, dadati is the verb. Dadati means gives. Balakasya mata, boy's mother, grihe, in the house, hastena, using her hand, patrat, from the plate, balakaya modakam dadati, gives modakam, sweet meat, to the balaka, to the boy. Here mata is the doer of the action. It is kartrikarakam, subject. Modakam is the object, karmakarakam. Hasta or the hand is the instrument. It is known as karanakarakam. Balaka, the boy, is the recipient. Sampradana Karakam. The modaka or the sweetmeat is taken from the plate, from the patram, and there happens a separation between the patram and the modakam. The patram is the point of separation. From there, the modakam is taken, and that is known as Apadana Karakam. All these things happening at home, it is the location, griham, and it is Adhikarana Karakam. These are the 6 Karakas. They have direct link with the Kriya or the verb. Another word is there, Balakasya. It denotes only the relationship. It is connected to Mata. It is not regarded as a Karakam, and it is in Shashti Vibhakti form. To denote Karakas, we use different Vibhakti forms. In this Vibhakti Artha Prakarana, we will learn the definition of Karakas, and we will learn about what Vibhakti to be used with each and every Karaka.